Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook whole duck. First, you will want to pat your whole duck completely dry with paper towels. This is a critical step for achieving a wonderfully crispy skin. Next, using a very sharp knife, carefully score the duck skin in a crosshatch pattern, being sure not to cut into the meat underneath. This precise scoring helps the fat render out efficiently as the duck cooks, resulting in a much crisper and more flavorful skin. This preparation sets the foundation for a truly exceptional roast. Now, generously season your prepared duck both inside the cavity and all over the exterior. Use a good quality coarse sea salt and plenty of freshly ground black pepper to enhance its natural taste. For added depth of flavor, stuff the duck's cavity with aromatics. Consider using things like halved oranges, several sprigs of fresh thyme, and a few peeled garlic cloves. These ingredients will gently infuse the duck with their delightful essences from the inside out as it roasts, creating a beautifully aromatic dish. To start the roasting process, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the duck on a rack in a roasting pan and cook it at this high temperature for just 15 minutes. This initial burst of heat helps the fat begin rendering and makes the skin crisp. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and continue roasting for about 2 to 2.5 hours. The duck is perfectly cooked when an instant-read thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh registers, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your duck is beautifully roasted, it's crucial to let it rest. Transfer the duck to a cutting board and allow it to sit for at least 15 minutes. This resting period lets the juices redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring a tender and moist result. While it rests, carefully pour the liquid gold, that is, the rendered duck fat, from the roasting pan into a heat-proof container. This flavorful fat is excellent for cooking future dishes. Finally, use a sharp carving knife to expertly separate the legs, wings, and breast meat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.